What is this? Pour in your dry mix. Add 1 egg. Add half a cup of water or milk, your choice. And mix, mix-a-roo. Add in your dry mix. Add 1/2 cup of water or milk, your choice. Now we add in 1 egg. And mix-a-roo, get all the clumps out. Get your preheated skillet, put down some olive oil or oil of your choice, and pour in the batter. Make sure you scrape the bowl when you're done. Repeat the process. Get out your preheated skillet, spray it with oil of your choice, and pour in the batter. "22 minutes, and let's take a look at these. Oh my goodness. If you all could smell this. Let's do the toothpick test, and she's clean. Check the other one, and she's clean as well. These are ready to be pulled off and then rest. Alright, these rested about 10 minutes. I'm going to take a fork, go around the edge once, and then the second time I start going about every quarter turn and lifting up the bottom there, just get it broke loose. Then we'll put a plate on top and we'll flip it over, give it a little tappy tap, and then we'll put another plate on to flip it over so we get the presentation side up. Alright y'all, let's give these a taste. The cinnamon churro. Looks good. If you like sweet cornbread with a little bit of cinnamon, you're right up there. I kind of like that. I wouldn't want it all the time, but it's pretty decent. It's a sweet cornbread. You got the grittiness of the cornbread, obviously, and then you get the cinnamon and sugar. Real savory, not savory, but it's sweet. I like that. I like that a lot. Let's try the Southwest style. All right, that looks good. Give it a taste. So if you notice, this is kind of orangish in color, but right off the bat, boom, you get like that Southwest seasoning flavor. Then as you're chewing, the grittiness of the cornbread comes out. That's pretty good too. That would be killer on some like a tacos with a taco soup. Man. And this is the mild. So, hey, 2 thumbs up. I'd give him a try, man. All right, y'all. That's all I got. And remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did you have fun? And did it taste good? Rock on. Y'all are awesome.